Hey, Mopar peeps. We're having a real fun one today. The door glass on the passenger side of the 71 Barracuda convert. It's got Cuda fenders, but it's a Barracuda.
Back, Stubby Phillips. The new piece of glass. This is the felt slider. Now here's a perfect example. This one, somebody put grease on the rear felt sliders. So this one obviously we're going to replace with the one that we just took out of the car because that's been a virgin, never touched. So that's one spot. Do not put grease on, and this applies for B bodies also. There's some areas in B bodies. There's a lot of track in B bodies that are felt sliders. Obviously there's a lot of things. So when you got the glass out, get down there and lube up all your hinges stuff. Get that stuff all lubed up nice.
Hey, everybody. Still working on a little coup de glace here. I think you got to see a little bit yesterday. I'm starting to take stuff apart. Here's our 2 pieces of glass, our new piece, our old piece. I'm going to swap over because all the parts on this are really nice. This one's missing a few parts. Big deal I was telling you about was this is a really nice piece. The felt's real nice in it. This one, somebody greased this at one point. Remember, never grease the felts on a Mopar slider. I don't know why people did that back in the day, but they did. Back on the old coup de glace stuff here. Can you guys see me as I'm standing here? Eating Australian licorice, plant-based. I know you like the piece. Too bad. It's all mine. I have none left though. Bubbly LaCroix. I have none left. Is that proper pronunciation? I don't know. I always have one sleeve pulled up half a little bit and the other one not. I don't know. Guess I worked a little cockeyed.